Hi, I'm Dominic St-Pierre. This is the first video that I will be doing each week. So basically this will be a developer logs of me building my open source project named Parle. So what is Parle actually? So Parle is going to be a customer communication platform. It will take care of all the communication that you have with your application user. So that being live chat for visitors and also, web app users, behavior, email marketing, and also communication in based on action that the user is doing and whatnot. Support ticket will be included as well as knowledge base. So it will be a full customer, communication platform. It will be free and open source. If you know application like Intercom or Drift, for example, it will be similar in a sense. Of course, since I am alone building that, it will probably be a little bit smaller than those two for sure, at least at first, and we will see. We will see where it will be at the end. So I'm planning on doing one video per week. It will be videos that will be edited, and it will. At first, I wanted to do live streaming of me developing the platform, but I found that shorter and to the point video might be better. So basically, the component that will be included, it will be there will be a backend. I will be building that in Go, so it will handle all the communication from the client widget via WebSocket, and also the web application where the agent are logging in to answer live chat and support ticket and whatnot. It will not be built as a SaaS or anything like that. It will really be an application that normally is standalone in a way that one customer will run their own instance. You can see that as like Discourse, for example, or application like that where the user of the application, the user of the application basically install the component on their server. There will be, at some point, I'm planning to offer fully managed instances, but that will be later. So yeah, the backend will have also a Bolt database. It's extremely simple and quick. The widget is what the user will embed into their website, allowing their website visitors and web app users to talk to them, and also act as a receiver for push notification and things like that. So for example, if you want to send an email to all of your users that did something on your web app, for example. Let's say that you have a project management software and you want to send an email or a push notification to all users that at least created one project. So if one of your users is logged in when you deliver the message, they will not receive any email. They will receive that via the widget. And if they are not signed in at that time, then they will simply receive an email. Also, the application itself will be a web application built in Elm. So the widget will also be built in Elm and a little bit of TypeScript to kind of glue everything together. So the web app will be bigger because it will be where the agent talked with their website visitors and web user and things like that. So and also creating campaign, sending email, managing the knowledge base, and responding to support tickets. So the flow is extremely simple. A visitor or a web user access a website, and we can kind of see the website here could have the widget in here. So this is the chat widget, and also where the push notification will be there. So from there, the communication is done via WebSocket with the web application, and there is some data that is saved to the Bolt database. So one of the goals is that I want to make sure that people can have 100% private data. So this is a huge deal to me. There is no big company that will be able to fetch your data or manipulate your data. This will be built to be deployed, for example, on a digital ocean droplet. So a small tiny $5 per month or $10 per month depending on your load, and you will probably be able to run the application kind of easily. So this is basically the flow that I'm seeing. So the current status is I will be pushing daily, or kind of during the week. I was planning to do a live streaming, like I was saying. I tried that a little bit, but I did not like how the videos were turning. It was turning like 1 hour and 30 minutes, and at the end of the day, the content was not, it was too long. So just like the courses that I'm building, that I'm selling as well, I really value the time of everyone. So if you want to follow along, I will be publishing a weekly devlogs. You can kind of think like, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes video per week, and it will be the highlights of the previous week. So if I had difficulties with something, I will be showing that. If I have good progress with something, I will be. But it will be extremely quick, and it will be we will see the progress from day to day, even twice a day or something like that. The first piece that will be built is the live chat. And after that, it will be a light email notification. So if you are interested in this project, you can sponsor me via GitHub. So that will be extremely helpful. It will assure me that I can, I'm not doing that only for me. There is people out there that think that it is a good idea. And also, if you are using Intercom, for example, at this moment, you are probably paying somewhere like, I don't know, $100, maybe $200 per month. And yeah, I mean, I'm not saying the feature set will be one-on-one comparable to Intercom. Of course not, but I think I have great vision for this project. It's a passion project of mine. I started building live chat in 2007 actually. So Parle is actually the evolution of my very old live chat open source project that I deployed. I published in 2007. So yeah, in about 1 year from now, I'm planning of offering fully managed instances. So it will be kind of a SaaS model where people can pay, but my customer will be the entire owner of their server. So if at some point they want to stop the subscription, they can take the server and run them and run them from there. Anyways, so yeah, so as I said, I'm thinking of I will probably publish the video somewhere like Saturday morning or Sunday. So you can subscribe if you are interested, and let me know. Bye.